101, 102. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, here to tell you today the 5 things you probably didn't know about RBP. So the first thing you might not know about RBP is they actually offer way more than just wheels. They actually have lift kits, they've got their brand new stealth boards that just came out, they've got grills, fuel doors, just about anything you want, you can get it from RBP. So when it comes to lift kits, if you want something absolutely massive, you can find that with RBP. So for the top 3 heavy duty trucks, they actually make a 14-inch lift kit, and that's just absolutely massive. So the other neat thing about RBP is that you might not know that they go hard at SEMA. So we just got back and we saw that they had almost 60 trucks at SEMA showcasing all of their new products. So you may have heard me mention the RBP stealth boards, and what those are, it's basically like a power running board that automatically comes down and then retracts when you get into your vehicle, and sure beats the old-fashioned way. So the last thing that you probably didn't know about RBP is that there's a chance to win some of their stuff for free right now on our website. So coming out to customoffsets.com/RBP, and if you pick up one of these shirts, you can automatically get entered to win a complete build from them, as well as second place is gonna get a $500 gift card. So it's that simple. Coming out, customoffsets.com/RBP. Peace.
Hold it, get the hell out of my office.
Sorry.